So a lot of these videos I've been showing off the kind of things that are at Music Street Journal, but for this one I'd like to show off my lulu.com store. Show you the kind of things you can find there. You go to lulu.com/strange sound, or you could put the /spotlight/strange sound, which is what it shows up here for me. In any event, what you've got when you go there is you'll see Strange Realities, either in paperback or PDF. That's a book of my short stories. If you look on my Facebook page, if you can get to that, there's some notes that show off some little bits of the stories. They range from horror to science fiction and fantasy. There's quite a few stories in there. Also, there's The Strange Sound of Cthulhu, which was my first book. You can get that in various e-formats or in a paperback. There's also a concert photography book. Again, I believe it's digital, and I know there's physical copies. Plus, there's a lot of Music Street Journal compilation books. For instance, there's Judas Priest, the Music Street Journal files, that has all of our Judas Priest articles through December 2006. There's one for Dream Theater that goes through February 2007. There's one for Spock's Beard. I don't remember what date that goes through. Tony Levin, Lana Lane. Don't forget there is a second page. If you hit the 2, you'll spot that. With the Flower Kings, Eric Norlander, Jam Carrey. So there's a lot of books there for people to check out. Head on over to lulu.com/strange sound and give it a look.